Your son had quite a collection of hats. And they were just kind of stuck up there with some temporary hooks.
Yes.
But I thought it would be fun if we created something a little bit more sophisticated and a little bit more memorable for him. This will be an industrial hat rack.
Okay.
For this project, all you'll need is a piece of wood. This is a 1x6.
Okay.
And I've cut it at 72 inches long, so 6 feet. And let's get this out of the way here.
Okay.
Before staining this wood, we use Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. All you've got to do is dip it in water to scrub off any marks.
Oh, okay, cool.
36 is our middle point. Our first flange will go at 36 inches, right in the middle of the board.
Okay.
Cool? Okay, Katrina, let's get the flanges out here. We're gonna put that right in here. Okay. Atta girl.
Okay, loving that.
Yeah? Hey, good job.
All right, cool.
Let's just see how one looks. What's cool about this, we can hang it vertically or horizontally depending on how we decide we want our look to go. Let's just pretend that we're gonna do it vertically.
Okay.
And we'll add our stop. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, good job. Very nice. Ta-da.
Oh yeah, that's a good little finishing touch.
Yeah, and then
Boop.
just like that on the wall.
Oh, way cool.
You like it?
Yeah, I do.
Awesome. Okay, well, 1 down, 4 to go.
Okay.
I won't take this lying down. Got myself on solid ground. Got tough.
You got
I
it.
got tough.
You're doing great.
You got it?
Got it.
All right, last
Love
one.
it. Awesome. Let's see our hard work. Oh, I love it.
Yeah, I
Here.
do too.
It's gonna look super masculine in the room. Nice.
Thanks for watching, and remember to tune in to Homemade Simple with me, Layla Ali, Saturdays at 9 a.m. on OWN. And remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.